Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time stopping by, you're welcome. Guys, guess what I'm going to be making today? I am going to be making a birthday cake. I'm going to be baking today. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a birthday cake. So basically today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vanilla cake. So let me introduce you to the ingredients I will be using for today's cake. So I have 500 grams of flour. This is 12 pieces of eggs. I have a milk flavor here. And this is 2.5 cups of sugar. This is 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. This is half tablespoon of baking powder, and this is half tablespoon of preservative. I know a lot of people will tell you I don't use preservative, but trust me guys, I do use preservative because I'm actually making this cake for a client, so I must put preservative for it to have a long life, to avoid the story that touches the heart. You know what I mean? So I'm going to be using salt. This is salt. And this is butter, 500 grams of butter, and a vanilla flavor. So right now guys, I'm going to be rubbing the baking pan with a vegetable oil. So the oil has circulated round the pan. So I'm going to be dusting it with a little bit of flour. Like this. So right now I'm going to be dusting off the excess flour from the pan. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm not going to be using a hand mixer or a stand mixer. I'm actually going to be making this manually. I'm going to be using a turning stick and a bowl. So this is 500 gram of butter. So I will start mixing it like so. And let me tell you something, guys. A lazy person can't do this thing manually. Can't do what I'm doing manually because it is stressful. But I just want to show you guys that even if you don't have a hand mixer or a hand mixer, you can actually bake a cake by yourself. You can actually do it yourself. So don't let anybody tell you go get this. If you have the money to get it, fine. Yes, it is good. But if you don't have, that doesn't stop you from making your cake yourself. So you have to mix this till it's light and fluffy. And it will also look pale. It will be like a pale yellow. So I'm adding the sugar right now. So please get used to this, my scraping down, because I have to. So you have to scrape down. And for less, did I just say less? Sorry guys, for less stress, you can melt the butter before adding the sugar and mix together. So this is what it looks like when you add the sugar. So right now I'm done mixing. I'm going to set it aside. So right now guys, I'm going to be breaking the egg and whisk it. So guys, as you are watching this video right now, please click on the subscribe button below. It is very, very important. Please don't just watch this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and also click on the subscribe button below. It is very, very important. Don't just watch, you know, don't pass me by. Yes, guys, I beg, bro. Click on the subscribe button below for more interesting video from me. So I'm going to start whisking it till it's fluffy. So this is what I am looking for. I've achieved what I'm looking for. So after whisking, this is what you will come up with. This foamy, like a fluffy egg. So I'm done with it. And please do not over whisk. It will affect your cake when you over whisk. So right now I'm going to be adding the egg bit by bit. So right now I'm going to be adding the dry ingredients bit by bit. So this is the pan I have greased with vegetable oil. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to tell you, I added a teaspoon of vanilla extract behind the video. So I'm going to bake it till toothpick comes out clean. So guys, this is what it looks like after baking. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.